Hi everyone, welcome to Live Blogger. In this video, we'll take a look at the difference between a niche website and an authority website and which is the one you should choose. So let's get started. I have dedicated videos on authority website and niche website. In them, I have explained what exactly is an authority website or a niche website. So if you don't know anything about these types of websites, I would recommend you to watch those videos first. So in this video, we are not going to go into the details of authority and niche websites. In this video, we'll just compare the two and see what are the reasons of choosing one over the other. Niche websites are created mostly to make money out of it. It has some useful articles, but the main motive is to make money. Niche sites are made after research on which topic is profitable among a huge list of topics. An authority website is mainly created with the sole intent of helping the visitor. The author usually has deep knowledge about the topic that he or she is writing about and also has a passion for the subject. Making money from authority websites is the secondary goal. The first goal is to create a website that is complete and full of knowledge that people will love and would return to. Niche sites can be created quickly. What you basically have in a niche website is a target topic, and you have to write some specific articles about that topic. So there is less content. You could literally create a niche website in a matter of days, monetize it and just let it sit there and it will keep earning for you. In authority websites, usually there are a lot of articles compared to niche websites. So it will take a long time for you to create an authority website. In fact, you can turn your niche website into an authority website by just adding more content to it. So in the long run, authority websites can be really profitable, but niche websites can provide you faster results. One area where authority website usually kills it is the trust of the people. People trust authority websites more than niche websites. So if an authority website writes an article about a broad topic, it will still get traffic and people will be eager to read what is written because of that authority that it has gained over the course of time. But niche websites are not that trusted by everyone. Even though you have good knowledge in the subject that you are writing your articles on, people may not easily trust you. So for a niche website to rank on Google or get traffic, you have to write really specific articles. Authority websites need more attention from the webmasters. If you have an authority website, you always have to have someone to look after it. Some authority websites may need to have customer service for its products. So you cannot just create and leave the site as it is. You have to take care of the customer service as well. But with niche websites, there is no need for customer service or anything like that. You just need to have some articles up there and you can just let it stay there. Authority websites are less dependent on Google for their traffic. They may have a Facebook page or group or an Instagram where they will get a lot of traffic from whenever a new article is posted. They may also have a huge email list of subscribers which get notified each time a new article is written or a new product is launched. There may even be many people who know the name of the authority website and they just type the URL of the website directly in the address bar of the browser. So there are a lot of dedicated visitors for authority websites. Niche websites, on the other hand, depend a lot on Google or other search engines for their traffic. It is easy for niche website to get ranked on Google because they have such specific targeted topics. Niche sites are risky. The reason is basically the previous point that we discussed. Since niche websites are basically dependent on Google, any changes that Google makes to the search algorithm can affect the niche website. If your niche website has Amazon affiliate links, then any changes that Amazon makes to the affiliate program can affect the revenue of your website. Authority websites are less risky because it is not fully dependent on Google. So algorithm changes in Google search engine cannot do much damage to the authority websites. So with the above differences, you may already have a decision of whether you should go with a niche website or an authority website. Basically, if you're getting started, you can create a niche website, then you can turn it into an authority website in the future. Alright, that's basically it for this video. If you have any suggestions or questions, you can leave them in the comment section below, and click on the like button if you like this video, and subscribe to this channel to get the latest video updates. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a nice day.